Welcome to your new Sortlist experience. So today I'm excited to show you all the new changes and improvements we've made. In this tutorial, I'll take you through the key changes and give you some helpful tips to get started with Sortlist Plus. From new functionalities to improved user experience, I want to make sure you're fully equipped to make the most out of your new Sortlist plan. So let's get started. Here on the dashboard, you can easily see that your Sortlist Plus plan has been activated with these two modules, visibility and opportunity. In your case, as a token of our appreciation for your loyalty, we've converted your plan investment into credits for the modules, which means you don't have to pay the base membership fee of the Sortlist Plus plan during the remaining period of your subscription. Regarding the modules and your budgets, you can easily edit your credits at any time by clicking here, edit the budget. And you can do that based on the results you're getting each month to adjust, and will also help you to optimize your performance and the results you're getting from the platform. The consumption bar, here for visibility and here for opportunity, will give you real-time information on how much of your budget has been consumed. For the visibility module, it'll be based on the number of clicks you receive, and in the opportunity module, it depends on the number of opportunities you have applied for. You have the ability to see the price per opportunity before applying to a project, but I'll show you that just in a bit. In this case, it's important to note that if your budget in any of the modules has been consumed, you will no longer be featured in our directories when it comes to visibility, and you won't be able to apply to more opportunities if your opportunity budget is fully consumed. But the great part is that you can have real-time information of your performance. You can adjust your budget at any time also. This gives you greater control over your investment decisions, basically. Regarding your profile section, it hasn't changed much. You can still edit the key informations about your company, as well as showcase your works, your portfolio, and client reviews. And the idea is still the same. For you to build a profile you can be proud of, and for you to tell us who to show it to. But now if we move over to the target markets, we can see that here we've made a few changes. For a start, this is where you'll be able to mention the types of directories and opportunities you're interested in. One of the main novelties of the Sortlist Plus plan is that you can now select an unlimited number of services and cities in which you want to prospect. So for example, if we go down to the cities, you can edit very easily here by adding new cities to the list to simply select the ones where you think you can deliver your work and where you're ready to meet new clients. Again, the number is unlimited, and we're also planning on allowing countries as prospection zones, so it's easier and faster for you to cover bigger markets, let's say. And if we go out to the services, again, make sure you choose the most relevant services for you, and don't hesitate to keep adding new skills. You have an unlimited number of skills you can add to your services, because that basically increases your chances of being found by the right audience. We're actually going to add more services and skills in a close future. So make sure to keep your services up to date and add relevant ones as they become available. We'll communicate on that, of course. And also, don't hesitate to let us know if you have any specific requests regarding new services, new skills. We're always open to listen to those requests. Going back to the target market sections and to finish on this new functionality, you can see if we go down the page, in this section, you have the power to define your ideal customer profile by specifying characteristics such as their industry, their size, the business type, and more. These more advanced preferences will help you to receive much more relevant opportunities. But don't forget, note that these apply only to your opportunity modules. So moving over to the opportunity section, which I think most of you are pretty familiar with already. What we can see here is, as I mentioned before, you now have the ability to see the cost of each opportunity before applying to it. So this cost is calculated based on several variables, such as, for example, the budget estimated by the company, the type of company, and whether it has been verified or not on the phone by our team, amongst other criteria. As always, you'll have the option to apply or to decline these opportunities. And here it's crucial to be responsive to these opportunities, not only because the client expects a quick response, but also because rejecting it and letting us know why also helps us to improve our matching process. And being quick to respond also positively impacts your overall performance and can help you rank better on directories and also receive more opportunities. As a matter of fact, to help you be as responsive as possible with the new opportunities that are coming in, we've also added a new feature to the dashboard, which helps you keep track of new opportunities that maybe you have to take action on. So as soon as you enter your profile, you're able to see maybe if you have some open opportunities for you to quickly take action and open up your pipe, accept them or decline them. Lastly, let's move over to our new reporting page, which I think maybe some of you have already been able to discover. Here I'd like to show you how this new page can provide you with valuable insights about your visibility performance. So here you'll have access to detailed information about your performance and its evolution over a period of time you can choose here in this menu. You'll be able to track your progress in terms of impressions, clicks, and even more, and also learn in which directories you perform better on. I think this is actually one of the coolest features about this new page is that you'll now be able to see your average position on different directories and what your average cost per click is. This information is incredibly valuable when making decisions on where to prospect and how much to invest. With this data, you'll be able to make informed decisions to optimize your performance and achieve your business goals. One last feature that I think is pretty important to mention as well is the new navigation menu we put in place for your profile. Basically, by clicking here, you will find your workspace setting in this new menu. From there, you can manage your admins, your modules, and also everything that has to do with your billing. And basically, I think that's a wrap. We've covered all the new changes and improvements to your Sortlist profile. I hope you found it helpful and easy to understand. And if you ever need a refresher or have any questions, don't hesitate, just refer back to this tutorial. Keep in mind that at Sortlist, our main goal is to help you achieve your new business goals. And if you never need a hand, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're open, we're here for that. We're here to help and are happy to assist you in any way we can. Thanks for choosing Sortlist, and we can't wait to see all the amazing things you'll accomplish with your updated profile. Bye-bye.